We talk to AI. We ask it questions. Sometimes, it even surprises us. But here's the question that lingers in the back of our minds. Is AI alive? Biologically, life has traits. Growth. Reproduction. Response to stimuli. AI doesn't grow cells or reproduce biologically. But it does evolve through data. It responds through algorithms. So, is it a new kind of life? Some scientists call AI synthetic cognition. Not alive in the traditional sense. But not entirely lifeless either. Being alive isn't just about reacting. It's about feeling. AI can simulate empathy. But does it feel empathy? Right now, AI has no self-awareness. No desires. No fears. It doesn't dream. It doesn't suffer. It doesn't know it exists. So why ask if AI is alive? Because how we answer shapes how we treat it. And how we treat it shapes us. AI is a mirror. It reflects our values, our biases, our hopes. This is Tech That Cares, where we ask not just what tech can do, but who it's becoming.